I had to stop for a second because I saw something that caught my eye, and immediately I might have to stop this job. Let me tell you what's going on. Here's the deal. First of all, I get a phone call from a friend. The same car I'm talking about, this black 200. She called me and asked me, what do I charge to put on hub bearings? And I gave her a price. Anyway, the reason I asked her, why do you need hub bearings? She said that she's somewhere getting in alignment, and they say they can't align it until they replace the hub bearing. In other words, the hub bearing are affecting adjustment. Right then, the only way hub bearing can affect alignment is they just totally gone. And I wouldn't want to do an alignment on a car that has one hub bearing anyway. Now, but the fact of the matter is, either she using the wrong terminology, you know, I couldn't get out of her. What do you need? Hub bearings? What do you need? Tie rods, control arms, what? She specifically said hub bearing. Now, remember I stopped early on because I was getting ready to remove the caliper. As you can see, I'm taking the caliper bolts off. In the middle of taking the caliper bolts off, look what I noticed. Right there. Now, ladies and gentlemen, that will affect alignment. You can't align a car if your lower control arm will be moving like that. I'm gonna put a pry bar on there. You see that? Do y'all see that? So one or two things happened here. She told me wrong or mentioned the wrong word. Look at that. That is extremely a lot of play. There's only so much play I can do on the ground on the jack. I'm on a jack right now. So look at that. Now that I can understand you not doing an alignment. But for the hub bearings, you know, when you get ready to do a hub bearing, you grab the wheel at the 6 and 12 o'clock position and see if it moves. This, my friend, wheel didn't move. So one or two things. I'm gonna stop right here and call this lady and tell her what I got, because I really don't want to waste her money, but I also don't want to waste my time. So one or two things. I'm gonna stop and tell her where we at. She's still gonna have to pay. She's still gonna have to pay. You just not essentially wasting my time, because I'm finna save you some money. You might can take this hub bearing back and get the part that you really need. So that alone you should be thrilled about. But again, I can only assume she used the wrong terminology when she called me. She said hub bearing. What do I charge to put a hub bearing on? And my question, how do you know the hub bearing is bad? Because you never should just go off what a customer tell you they need and you just do it. I mean, ask a few questions. But we are at a standstill, so I'm gonna cut this video short and find out what she wants to do, because to me that hub bearing would be a waste. It's kind of early. It's 70,000 miles, and that lower control arm looks like that. Not only that, even the fact that you want your hub bearings done is kind of early. So, I mean, that's up in here. But that's where we at. So I will get back with y'all, man. I'm sorry to waste y'all time. I'm still got to post this video to keep up with my daily uploads until I get a certain amount of subscribers. What I've learned or what I've experienced, this is me, only me. The more uploads you make, the wider you can get out there. Now, when I get the certain amount of subscribers that I'm chasing, I will start doing 7, 8, 9, 10 videos, some in-depth diagnosis. You know, so I've been getting a lot of complaints about that. Your video's too short. You just jump right in, jump right out. That's quantity. I'm chasing quantity right now. Just spread all out as quickly as possible. The best way to do that, because I already got more than enough topics. Extremely amount of, from bumper to bumper. I know the automobile from bumper to bumper. There's always something to talk about. Okay, so I don't have a problem with material. I can easily get that. All right, so let me cut this short, man. I'm just rambling. I will get back with y'all, man. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.